at you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making potato salad. And I have had several of our viewers to ask me for my potato salad recipe. And I make potato salad a lot of different ways, but this is my favorite way to make it, with celery in it, mustard, pimentos, sweet pickle relish, and I usually put 5 pounds of potatoes. I put 4 boiled chopped eggs, and I usually put about 7 tablespoons of blue plate mayonnaise in it. But I cook my potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't like for them to be real soft when I make my potato salad, because to me it gets mushy, and I like them to be, have a good texture to them. And so this is the way I like my potato salad, but some of my family just like mayonnaise in it, and mustard, and eggs, and sweet relish. They don't like the celery or the pimentos. So you can leave those out if you don't like it, and you can make it that way. And then some people put celery seed in it. And if you don't have any celery, that works too. And you can just put as much in it as you prefer. And so I've got my potatoes here washed, and so I'm going to start peeling them and get this recipe going. So let me get started. Okay, I'm on my last potato, and over here you'll notice that I have a bowl of water, and I do that to keep my potatoes from turning color. They will turn sort of a blackish color if you don't keep them in the water. Okay, I'm going to take these over to the sink and rinse them. Okay, I have my potatoes rinsed, so when they come up to a boil, I'll cook them for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to watch them though, because I don't like mushy potato salad. Okay, I'm going to test to see if my potatoes are done. And it cut easily, so they're done. They've been cooking for about 15 minutes. Okay, I've already drained my potatoes. I'm going to let them sit here and cool for just a few minutes. Okay, I'm back, and so now I'm going to mix up my dressing that I put in my potato salad. And I forgot to mention a while ago is that some people, they do like celery and some people don't. But if you don't like celery, another alternative that you could do is put fine chopped up bell pepper. And I also like that in my potato salad sometimes. But usually if you don't like celery, you usually don't like bell pepper. But just, you know, if you don't like celery, you can leave it out. If you don't like bell pepper, you can leave it out. Like I said, you can leave out whatever you don't like. But this is how I make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put, I know it sounds like a lot, but I'm going to put 7 tablespoons of mayonnaise in here. But I'm going to be putting 4 boiled eggs in here also, and it really takes that many to make it creamy. Okay, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also, sometimes the potatoes are different, and they'll even take up more mayonnaise than this, so I'll just have to play it by ear right now. Okay, and I'm going to be putting in a tablespoon of salt in here. And when I make what I call mustard potato salad, I put more mustard in it when I'm making it that way, but this way, when I make it the way I'm making it today, I'm only going to put 1 teaspoon full in. Okay. So I'm going to start off with just half. This is 3 stalks of celery. I'm just going to start off with half of this till I see when I mix it up how I like it or how it looks. And to start off with, I think I'm just going to put half of this jar of pimentos into. Maybe a little over half. Okay, so I'm going to slice up my boiled eggs and put it in here also. And the weather here today is beautiful, but it is chilly. I think it got down to 30 something last night.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
Okay, I'm going to rinse my hands off and I'll be right back. Also, if you don't, this right here is sweet relish. If you don't like a lot of sweet relish, you don't have to put as much as I'm going to, but I think it makes my potato salad good. So I'm going to put about half of this jar in here. And I have been known to put the whole jar in it. But that's usually when I make about 10 pounds of potato salad, but I'm just making about 5 pounds a day. Okay, so I'm going to stir this up.
Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I
people also even put bacon grease in their potato salad, and it's good that way too. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my potatoes over here. Okay, I'm going to add in my mixture, my salad mixture. So now I'm going to just fold this all in here. Okay, some people like their potato salad real chunky and some don't. I like mine somewhere in between. So I'm going to do the taste test right now on this. Let me get this thing. And see if I think it needs any more mayonnaise or pickles or celery or anything like that. Or if it's just right. I think it needs a little bit more mayonnaise and a little bit more pickles. So here we go. Sometimes I get it just right and sometimes I don't.
You think you need to let your cameraman check that for you?
Sure. Come over here and I'll give you this spoon.
Just hand.
Okay. You want to test it off camera, huh?
Yeah.
Does it need something else?
Excuse me, I think it's perfect.
Okay.
Just right.
All right, so now then,
Don't change a thing.
I'm going to put it in this bowl right here, Pioneer Woman bowl. There's 5 pounds in this pan right here, so it might be kind of heavy. So I think I'm going to do this. Kind of dip it out a little bit.
Yes, that looks very good, Marie.
Okay. Hands off right here. Okay, let's smooth this out now. Okay. that smoothed out pretty good right there. So put that right there. Okay, so now I'm going to put some paprika on it. You can admit this if you don't like paprika, but I think it makes your potato salad look pretty. I like to put some dill pickles on top, and I like to make them sort of like a little flower. So. Okay, so this is how I like to make my potato salad. And I usually make, when I have a dinner at my house, I usually make 10 pounds of potato salad. So this is actually a small bowl. So I hope everyone's having a great day today. And like I said, it's really beautiful here today, but it's cold. And it's only going to get up into the 50s. But everyone have a great weekend and do what you love and love what you do. And bye.